All right, I want to give you some insight into writing Medium posts to set us up for the rest of the semester. So note, as I mentioned in the other set of slides, there are 7 assignments across this semester for the different modules that we'll cover. 6 of them require Medium accounts, which means you need to have a Medium account. The first assignment is for you to submit your Medium account name, so that also requires you to have a Medium account. So why are we doing this? As I mentioned, the whole point in sharing content on Medium is that it solves a number of problems. It increases the quality of work that I get to grade, which will be useful for me and for you. It will also give you the opportunity to build a portfolio of some of the work that you've done, which has led to more interesting kinds of engagements for students who have done this with me in the past. So to get started with this, you go to medium.com and click the big Get Started button. Then you can join. You can certainly use your University of Maryland email here if you like, but that's not required. Either way, I'll be able to add you as a contributor to the page. And then once you've done that, it's important that you send me your account name. So here, this is my page. My account name is @cbunton. So send me your account name, not the display name, not Cody Bunton here, but the part that's after the @ sign. Afterward, we will once I have collected everybody's accounts, I'll create the class-wide publication and start adding people as contributors. Now, if you want to create a story, you can go when you log in, you can click your icon in the top right and say New Story. And then you have this nice WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get editor, and you can type whatever you want as the title. You can type the content in. There's a lot of nice styling that you can do for embedding code blocks or images or videos. You can format your text here in a bunch of different ways. So you can add, as I mentioned, add content, embedded tweets from Twitter or Facebook posts, whatever you want to add is very straightforward to do with the Medium editor. So once you've created your story or populated your story, you just hit the publish button. It'll give you some preview of what your story will look like. You'll add tags. In the assignments, I will explicitly tell you that you need to at least add 1 tag. This is generally going to be an assignment tag, assignment 1, assignment 2, assignment 3, etc. Because I'll group all of the assignments in the navigation bar for the class publication. Once you've done that, you can hit Publish Now. Congrats, your story's been published. Then to submit it to me, you can go to your publication or your list of stories rather, and there's a little ... ellipsis button that you can click and say Add to Publication. And then you can, once I have created the class publication and added you to it, you'll see an option here for the course publication that you can then just add story, and it'll get submitted to me as the editor for review. If you have questions about how to deal with or work with Medium, Medium's Help Center is actually very good and has a lot of content for you to explore. So check that out. And again, if you have any questions, post in the Module 1 discussions forum, since this is all introductory stuff.